Alright, here we are. So I'm out here in California. I'm out this giant drawing on the ground. Intaglio, I think it's called, something like that. But I think it starts right here. It's basically on top of this hill. All the light soil over there, you can see on the map, it's on this dark area. So I'm gonna look up there and see what's going on. I got my bike stashed over there by that bush. But yeah, beautiful sunset happening. Nice. Look at all this. Wow, look at all this quartz. Look at all the quartz out here. That's a nice piece of quartz. It's like $5 worth of quartz. Okay, I'm gonna bring these. Look at, there's quartz everywhere here. Maybe that's why they did these drawings here, because there's so much light colored rocks out here. I wanted to come out here to see how they made these drawings on the ground, but you can start to see the lines of the drawings right here. See that? So it looks like all you did was just move the big rocks out of the way and expose the sand. Doesn't look like much from here. You can see where I am on the map. I'm right at the beginning of the arm. So I'm going to go up a little farther. Oh yeah, this is awesome. I'm going to go right to, let's see, here's the body. Oh yeah, here's the body, here's the ribs. Here's the head. This is the head. Oh yes. See the round head? I think I read somewhere that they used to just walk along these trails as kind of a like you're in a trance or something. As a part of a ritual, you would walk along the trail, and then just walking along the trail would generate the path. It's pretty cool. Here's the eyeball. So here we go. I'm actually going to put the quartz there. So I helped build the drawing while I was here. So yeah, if you do drive out here, don't drive your bike or anything on this place, because somebody made this nice drawing here. Do like I did, stay on the outside or even on this side. I didn't know that it was so close to that that road and that tunnel there. But yeah, this is pretty cool. All right, sun's going down. I better head back to the truck. Ooh, this is a nice soft road. The parking lot is soft, actually. Practice my wheelies. Yes. Too gravelly. Try it in second gear. Second gear, I should be able to jump it up. Here, and I got the GoPro on the helmet. I was going to show you how I put the bike on the trail, on the little bike mount for the trailer hitch. So here, of course, you can put the ramp down, but this bike is not that heavy. So normally I don't even bother taking the ramp off. Just pick up the front tire, slide it on, push it up, grab the back. I got a little bit of a problem there, but okay, there we go. So there you go, lift it up, don't even need the ramp. Now I have this. This is a piece of chain with some nice heavy duty climbing climbing hooks. Get good ones though. These ones are rated for 1,000 pounds. So yeah, don't get cheap little ones. And one on this side. Stay on the foot pegs. So there you go. Boom. Now it's up. It's level. And then let me just grab the straps. So I don't know where, but I read somewhere you want to have 6 points of attachment, which probably makes sense. So I have this as well. It's a regular piece of strap for a like a winching strap. But be careful with winching straps. You want to make sure that everything that has a strap has a clip, because here I'll show you once I get it on there. So I clip this guy on, and I can pull it down, and then I take the back, I take the last piece, wrap it around a few times. The tire, this is to keep the tire from rolling. This will keep it snapped right onto the the bars of the trailer. Okay, so let me just see if I can fit it in there. Yes, there we go. So now it can roll a little bit, but not very much. I got another one for the front. So this goes over here. Don't use these. Don't use the hooks. You got to make sure that you clap it through. It has to clasp on, and so that the piece you're attaching it to can't escape. So here I'll do it like this. That goes in there. This goes here. Space for it. This goes in here, like so. So yeah, I bought this motorcycle stand from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. But it basically has 2 points here. It has a ramp, and I'm also chained it on too, just to make sure it doesn't. If it does come off, this chain's holding it on, because I'm going down the highway now, pretty, highway speed. So I gotta chain it on. Okay, this goes up here, and yeah, I just basically put 3 of these heavy-duty clips on there, and there you go. So now it's on there. It took 2 minutes. Everything clips and unclips. Oh, and the reason why you need to have something that clips on is because if it's just a hook, even if you winch it down really tight and you feel like, oh, it's no problem, if it's just a hook and you turn and this goes down, you're going around a corner, if it's just a hook, it can pop off, and now the thing is loose. So no good. It's got to be a real clasping hook. Spring-loaded clasping hook is good. If you can get the ones with the screw-on tightener, even better. But that does take some time. These are pretty sturdy. Like I say, these are good for 1,000 pounds each, and I have like 6 of them on there now. So anyway, that's how I get it on the trailer. Easy enough, and that's it. I'm ready to head home. All right, see you next time. Let's check on heater. Oh, yes. Beans and sausage. Taste. Perfect. Got the bite there too.